Hi there, welcome to Freedom Health 360, where we can help you achieve better health naturally. Today, we are talking about something most of us don't think about often but affects our entire well being, your digestive system. Did you know that your gut health is directly connected to your energy levels, mood, and even immunity? Let's uncover 5 warning signs your digestive system might be struggling and what you can do to fix them. Number 1, frequent bloating or gas. Feeling bloated after every meal or struggling with gas? This might be your body's way of telling you it's having trouble breaking down food. Try eating smaller meals and avoid processed foods. Adding ginger or peppermint tea can also help soothe your stomach. Number 2, irregular bowel movements. Whether it's constipation or diarrhea, irregular bowel movements can signal an imbalance in your gut bacteria. So, include more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Number 3, frequent heartburn or acidity. If you often experience a burning sensation in your chest or throat, it's time to pay attention. This could be caused by overeating, spicy foods, or even stress. Avoid eating heavy meals late at night and chew your food slowly to avoid indigestion. And also, it will aid in good digestion. Number 4, constant fatigue or low energy. Did you know poor digestion can leave you feeling tired all the time? When your body struggles to absorb nutrients, your energy levels drop. Focus on nutrient dense foods and include probiotics like yogurt or fermented foods to support your gut. Number 5, skin problems or unexplained breakouts. Your skin reflects your internal health, and an unhealthy gut can lead to acne, eczema, or dull skin. Avoid sugary and processed foods and focus on drinking plenty of water to flush out toxins. Your digestive system is the foundation of your overall health. If you have noticed any of these signs, don't ignore them. Start making small changes today to support your gut health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to Freedom Health 360 channel. And hey, if you want to learn more about how to naturally improve your health, join my exclusive WhatsApp webinar. The link is in the description below. Take care of your gut and I'll take care of you. See you in the next video.